There comes a moment in every journey when you realize that your greatest enemy is not outside you, it is within you. It is the version of you that is settled, the version that fears change, the version that clings to excuses. And in that moment you discover a profound truth. I must destroy myself to build myself. This statement is not about harming yourself, it is about breaking the patterns, attitudes, and beliefs that limit you. It is about looking into the mirror and confronting the behaviors that keep you stuck. Growth begins with destruction, but not of your life, only of the limits you've allowed to rule your life. There is an old version of you that must die so that a stronger version can rise, a version that stopped dreaming, a version that accepted less, a version that feared rejection, a version that doubted its own strength. These layers must be peeled away if you must unlock your full potential. To destroy yourself means to destroy your laziness. It means breaking the comfort zones that have kept you stagnant. It means refusing to let procrastination steal your opportunities. It means rising every morning with the determination to redesign your destiny. To destroy yourself means to destroy your negative thinking. The voice that says, I can't, I'm not enough, others are better. Those lies have lived too long in your mind. It's time to silence them. You cannot build a skyscraper on the foundation of self-doubt. To destroy yourself means to destroy excuses. Excuses have robbed more destinies than failure ever will. Failure at least teaches, but excuses bury your potential before it even breathes. When you kill your excuses, you awaken your power. To destroy yourself means to destroy the fear of starting. Many people never rise because they fear day one, but day one is the gateway to greatness. Every master was once a beginner who refused to stay the same. To destroy yourself means to destroy distractions, the endless scrolling, the wasted hours, the unhealthy relationships, the environments that do not push you forward. You can't build a new you in the same place that made the old you comfortable. To destroy yourself means to destroy the need for approval. If you keep waiting for people to validate your dreams, you will wait forever. True transformation is often lonely because you are stepping into a path others may not understand. To destroy yourself means to destroy your old routines. You cannot create a disciplined life while practicing undisciplined habits. You must replace the old with the new habits, new mindsets, new environment, new priorities. To destroy yourself means to destroy the fear of failure. Failure is not your enemy, it is your instructor. Every fall sharpens your wisdom. Every mistake strengthens your resilience. Destroy the belief that failure defines you. It does not. To destroy yourself means to destroy the past that holds you hostage. You are not who you were last year. You are not your mistakes, your heartbreaks, or your disappointments. The past is a place of reference, not residence. Leave it behind. To destroy yourself means to destroy the limitations you placed on your vision. If your dreams do not scare you, they are not big enough. Expand your vision, stretch your faith, dare to dream beyond what your mind thinks is possible. To destroy yourself means to destroy the version of you that survives and replace it with a version that thrives. You were not born born to merely exist. You were born to rise, to lead, to conquer challenges, and to create a life of meaning. The truth is simple. Transformation is painful, growth is uncomfortable, reinvention demands sacrifice. But what is the cost of staying the same? What is the cost of living below your potential? You deserve more. So today, decide to destroy the limits and rebuild the limitless. Destroy the fear and rebuild courage. Destroy the excuses and rebuild discipline. Destroy the old identity and rebuild the version of you that is strong, focused, determined, and unstoppable. This is your rebirth. This is your awakening. The battle is not outside, it is within. And once you conquer yourself, there is nothing in this world that you will not conquer. Stand tall, take a deep breath, and say it with power. I must destroy myself to build myself.